Now, a chief in Mulanja location in Tana North has been honored due to her zeal in fighting female genital mutilation. Chief Mumina Harun, yes, that's the name, also known as the Iron Lady, has served as an assistant chief in Konoramadha sublocation and was inaugurated at Mulanja Primary School grounds, where the leaders and the villagers attended to celebrate her for the immense work she has done in taking girls back to school. During the ceremony, the Deputy County Commissioner issued a stern warning to all the assistant chiefs and chiefs in the county to ensure that all school-age children are enrolled come January next year.
Kila sub location nyinyi mnajiita elders, wale mnajiita community police, wale tunafanya kazi nao. Hatutaki kuona watoto nyumbani. Watoto wote waende shule.
Masomo ya girl child ya wale wasichana wadogo ndio nina support na nahakikisha ya kwamba watoto wasichana wamepelekwa shule na kwa jumla watoto wamesoma kwa eneo yangu ama eneo yote ile ambao ninaitawala.